Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you 5 interesting facts about our Mother Earth, which you might did not know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 10 interesting things about Earth. 1. Earth is not exactly round nor is it flat. The globe of Earth has never been exactly round. The globe rotates about its axis, which causes an additional 0.3% bulge near the equator. The diameter of the Earth is 12,714 kilometers, 7,900 miles, from North to South Pole, and 12,756 kilometers, 7,926 miles, through the equator. 42.78 kilometers, 26.58 miles, is about 1/300th of the diameter of the Earth, and represents the distance. 2. The days are getting longer. The Earth's day is getting longer. Earth's day would have lasted around 6 hours when it was founded 4.6 billion years ago. This was 21.9 hours by 620 million years ago. Currently, there are 24 hours in a day, however this number is growing by 1.7 milliseconds every century. Why is that? Through the tides it helps to produce, the moon slows down Earth's rotation. 3. There have not always been multiple continents. For millions of years, there has been a cyclical link between the continents of Earth. What is currently North America was in the core of Rodinia, a vast supercontinent formed around 800 million years ago when the massive tectonic plates that support Earth's landmasses joined together. The Appalachian Mountains in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia and Kazakhstan were formed by the collision of several fragments of Rodinia that eventually split away and then recollapsed 250 to 500 million years ago. 4. Earth's icy times. The Earth experienced numerous severe climatic upheavals known as ice ages between 600 and 800 million years ago. The snowball Earth idea proposes that Earth nearly or totally froze multiple times as a result of the extreme cold. Earth would have been blanketed in glacial ice from pole to pole during 4 such times of alternate freezing and thawing that may have been caused by decreases in greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide. 5. The driest place on Earth. Ironically, the Pacific Ocean and the Atacama Desert in northern Chile are the 2 largest bodies of water in the planet. Arica, Chile receives just 0.8 millimeters (0.03 inches) of rainfall on average per year. The community of Calama in the Atacama Desert is thought to have gone 400 years without rain before an unexpected storm hit in 1972. In contrast to other deserts, the Atacama is relatively cold and lacks even cyanobacteria, which are green photosynthetic microorganisms that reside in rocks or under stones, in its driest regions. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.